If you're looking for a solid staycation experience this 2026 that includes a solid breakfast buffet, swimming pool, complete amenities, and everything else, dito na kayo sa Savoy Hotel Manila. Dito yan near NAIA Terminal 3 and Newport World Resorts. And 3 beses na nga kaming nakapag-check-in rito and each time naging maganda naman ang staycation experience. Naalala ko pa nasa about 3,000 plus lang yung total booking price. Ituro ko lang kayo as to what to expect. And to make the most out of your budget, I suggest mag-Agoda rin kayo, which I always do. Upon checking, makukuha nyo pa rin ang room for about 4,000 pesos or below, all in na yan with breakfast buffet. And dito nga sa tinatawag na essential or standard room, you have a very decent bathroom with your towels, dental and hygiene kits, hot and cold shower, and bathing supplies. May full-sized mirror sa labas, a shelf with your welcome drinks like coffee, tea, bottled water. May sarili rin kayong mugs, glasses, and water heater for personal use. Sa ibabaw niyan, there's a safe for your valuables, and sa baba, a mini fridge for your drinks or mga takeout galing sa mga establishments nearby. There's a wardrobe space enough for a few days worth of clothes. And now onto the bed mismo, may choice kayo between twin beds or a large queen bed for more space, pero usually ang nangyayari, nagiging patungan lang ng gamit namin yung extra bed. Yung view, of course, it depends kung saang room kayo na-assign, but in our case, kita yung NAIA 3 and NAIA X. There's your TV, bedside lamp, a lot of power outlets, plus telephone to contact the lobby, lots of pillows as well. May couch rin rito na maliit and you're gonna have to pay more if you want the room that has the sofa and table. The flooring also looks nice by the way. And syempre kinabukasan, ang motivation mo para gumising ng maaga is yung breakfast buffet sa Savoy Cafe. Ito yung solid every time nasa Savoy Hotel kami. You've got your bacon and sausages, waffles, may breads and cheeses, omelette station na kompleto sa ingredients like bell peppers and mushrooms. Ito talaga yung pamantayan ko sa solid na breakfast buffet. Cereals for the kids, fresh fruits and salad for the elderly. At ito pa isa, arroz caldo and noodle station. Kompleto rin sa toppings and one of the many food items that we got. Just look at that broth and yung sahog and look at how much food we got on our way to our table. Susulitin mo talaga yung staycation experience and masasabi ko namang we got our money's worth dito sa Savoy. And of course, bago mag-check out, hindi mawawala yung swimming, which they also have along with a gym. It does get a little crowded at times, but that's really just for the kids to enjoy. Magandang family bonding session for everyone. So, i-add nyo na ang Savoy Hotel sa inyong 2026 travel goals.